Hey, good morning from Six Bears. I wanted to drop a quick video. I know it's not live right yet, but I've been working all night on some orders, and it's possible to do this for years and still run into a struggle that you know what to do, but you forgot what to do. So I'm working on a large flat surface, and if you've done any 3D printing in that style, you know that it can be a pain because printers hate large flat surfaces. Particularly, I'm working on the top of a pie. Just needs to be a pie. As you can tell, it's just a large, flat base surface. Well, the problem was the infill. If you're doing something of that nature, check your infill. If you're starting to see something of this nature, you see where it started ripping it apart. It turned out that I was using a rectilinear infill, and it didn't like it. So once I went to a grid infill with a 50% infill, immediately got what I needed. Boom, done. It was over with. Check your infill if your printer is tearing into your prints. It may not be anything you're doing wrong. It just may be a different infill. Just a hint and tip. Something, done this for a few years now and still forgot about it. Something so basic. Hope that helps you. Have a good day.